Here's Molly. She's a kid a lot like you. Here's her school. And here's her neighborhood. She lives in this house. Here's her cat, Ruggles. Aw, so cute. Molly's house has a phone number, so her friends can call her and set up a time to play. Her house has an address, too, so Molly's new friends know where to go when they come over. You may not realize it, but Molly's address and phone number are called personal information. Even her full name, which she writes on her school homework like this, is considered personal information. What is personal information? It's anything that identifies where you live and who you are. You have personal information too. Here are some examples of your personal information: your name, your address, your phone number, and your email address. This information identifies you, and sometimes people you don't know can use that information to trick you or to put you in uncomfortable situations. That's why it's important to never give out your personal information to anyone you don't know. And you should only give this information to people you can trust, people like your parents and your teachers. Personal information is your private property. Think of it as living inside a big castle that no one can get into unless you